Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 6317 Old Post Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is a spectacular property in a private nature setting with over 100 feet of waterfront. I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa, so let's take a tour. This is the lake lifestyle you've been dreaming of. This home features exceptional open living with a white and bright kitchen with a breakfast bar and beautiful wood floors, leading to a dining area and living area with cathedral ceilings, a wall of windows, and deck access with breathtaking views. The first floor also features a spacious master bedroom with an adjacent full bathroom, plus an expansive loft area, great for additional sleeping space, with a full bathroom of its own. This finished walkout lower level provides great additional living space, with private deck access, great for entertaining and guests.
Take in breathtaking views of Canandaigua Lake with this entertainment-sized wraparound deck from the main level and lower level. Great for your family and guests. This picturesque bridge provides easy waterfront access. Nature is all around you. Enjoy over 100 feet of waterfront with an outbuilding, an expansive dock, and 2 beach areas. Wake up to spectacular sunrises over Vine Valley and Bear Hill. Situated on the west side of Canandaigua Lake, Old Post Road is a private waterfront community of fine homes. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine staying at this lake getaway? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 6317 Old Post Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!